Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video, and I will be going over my major coloring books, but I got a bunch, but these are the ones that I handpicked to be in this video. Creatures of Beauty, Jurassic World, Colorful Flowers 1 and 2, and Metamorphosia with Greek gods and stuff, Sharks of the World, my crocodile coloring book, Nadir Mandalas, and Dinosaurs and Other Mythical Beasts. That was a video of my major coloring books, and like, subscribe to my channel at C. Morgan's Videos. See you on the next one.